Now, thanks. Away. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me again, your boy Tabs. First things first, Happy New Year. Hope everyone had a good festive evening. And wishing you the best, man. 2020, everything comes in doubles, they say. Hope you guys have a splendid one. Hope already your plans are coming together as planned. So yeah, let's have a kick-ass here. So today's vlog, I decided, it's a new year, so why not start off the year with a new project. So it's obviously going to be an E30 project. So I decided to get myself a shell, E30 shell, all the way from the Free State. Yeah, that's how hard I looked for that shell. And yeah, I'm heading over to the garage where it is Konamanje, and then I'm just gonna take a quick video showing you guys what the body looks like and go through over my plans with the thing. Yeah, so sure. So yeah, it is what it is. Let's see what the body has in store for us. Yep. So this is home of E30s. It's an E30 vibe up in here. All sorts of bodies, all sorts of thingy machis. So this is the previous project that I abandoned. Once stuck. So the 3030 decided to use a tire. I don't know who. Okay, I do know who, but I never could. Yeah, sabotage. So basically, this would be the donor car. Yeah, this will be my donor car, the previous project that I was working on, but fuck it. I decided to let it go because someone wanted this body so bad, so I sold it to them. And then we shall start like fresh for the new year. And this is the new baby, 316. It's a black bumper. Bam 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 bam. There's really nothing much to say about it, except that there's some bruises. So what's gonna happen here is that we're gonna cut this from here and here, all four sides, and then put a new roof, the roof that's gonna come with the sunroof. So yeah, you know, we must look through God's eye. And then inside, it's really nothing but a shell. It's just that, a shell, nothing special. Electric windows there. Yeah, the body's fresh, the carpet is pretty much intact. There's not much rust. I need to change the fenders as well. No engine, no transmission, no fuck all. I'm gonna change this color. Should be painting the engine bay in a couple of days time. So if you have suggestions for the color, you can hit me up on the comment section and tell me what color you would like to see on this baby. And the wheels will obviously have to change. And yeah, that's it, guys. Nothing much. That's the new baby. The timeline is 2.5 months. 2.5 months, 3 months to get this up and running. So yeah, we'll see. And then in terms of the motor, I am not sure what we'll be doing there. I might be doing another M50 swap or S52, but we'll see. Let's just give it time. I'll keep you updated. Sure.
Said I don't put in work from the AM to the PM. I push a panda cause I'm tryna cop that BM. I know my exes, they be flooding on my DMs. Some of these niggas only calling on a weekend. On some type of shit like, homie, tell me where you at, cause I finna pull up in a minute. Where we heading at? On some type of shit like, homie, tell me where you at, cause I finna pull up in a minute. Where we heading at? Yeah, they see the nigga buzzing, now they tryna ride a wave. I ain't fucking with these niggas.